Here's a view from the side of our yard. That's a lawnmower, and those are air conditioning units. On the other side of the fence is the garbage. Yeah, so it almost looks like at some point that the snow is coming up from the ground, like that over there. It's like little tornadoes you can see. It reminds me of the dust storms, little tiny tornadoes I'd see in Texas. And it would just be this tunnel of sand that looks like the same thing but with snow. Smart enough to put their wipers up. There's actually a magnolia tree in the back, and I believe since Saturday, and today's Wednesday, it has lost all of its leaves. If you can see, it just looks like sticks, like right there. So, that's what this snow can do. And somebody is actually trying to shovel. So it's very noble.